guess what today is? Day 1 of the Body Reset Diet. All right, guys, so for my first meal of today, it's going to be an apple pie smoothie. Very interesting. You guys know I'm not a big person that has typically gone through fruit and things in my diet, but this should be interesting. Let's see what happens. This whole meal is going to come out to 371 calories with 64 carbohydrates, tons of fiber, good healthy foods, and we are going to put this together and try it out. So the ingredients are, let's start here. We're going to do 5 almonds, and as you can see, these are whole almonds. They have no salt, they have no sugar, nothing, just whole almonds. 1 little apple here. I probably could have done a bigger one, but this is the size I got. This banana on the recipe should be frozen. However, I forgot to do it last night, so I'm going to put it in just as is, and then we're just going to add some ice to thicken up the shake. We're going to do half a cup of skim milk. There's our skim milk. And we're going to do 3/4 of a cup. And this should be 0% Greek yogurt. Did I not get Greek yogurt? Oh, seriously, did I forget the Greek part? I think, did I do Greek yogurt? I don't know. This is what I got. Darn it, I probably got, oh yeah, Greek. Okay, 0% Greek yogurt. So 3/4 of a cup of that. And we're going to do a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to put it in the old NutriBullet and do a taste test. All right, guys, here she is. Look at this. I don't know if you can see. You see all those little dots from the almonds? That's healthy fat. We've got the good fiber from the fruit. I kept the skin of the apple on, which it says to do. And here comes the taste test. Whoa. Hey guys, if this is how the rest of the next 5 days are going to be, delicious, absolutely delicious. All right, so here is my first smoothie of the day. I did not have any coffee this morning. You can have coffee, but you have to have it black. So I chose to just forego it because the fruit and the things inside here should give me enough energy where I don't need caffeine. Mighty surprised. Let's see how it goes. All right, so I'm gonna have this, and then I'm gonna have a snack. Then I'm gonna have another smoothie, then another snack, then another smoothie. That's gonna be my day today, and that's how it's going to be for the next, after today, another 4 days of that. And then we go on to phase 2. So I am going to just try to show you what I'm doing, throughout the week and tell you how I'm feeling and all of that. So I will be back here in a little while to show you what my first snack will be. Hey guys, okay, so we are walking because on this program it says you have to get at least 12,000 steps a day in. So that's the goal. And then I'm gonna go home, take a shower, get dressed, and get ready for work. But in the meantime, that smoothie I had this morning has been keeping me nice and full. Like very, very full. And I really don't miss the coffee. But who knows what's gonna happen in the next couple days. You know, the first day of anything is always great, but I do really feel good. And all right, so here we go, going on our walk. Sorry about the way I look. Here's today's snack. We have 28 baby carrots, 3 tablespoons of hummus. This is the hummus that I'm using. This is from Stop and Shop. And just like the baby carrots. So 28 baby carrots, 3 tablespoons of hummus, and this is my daily snack. I do have another smoothie to have later for lunch, another crunchy snack, and then another smoothie. So this is, I'm not even hungry for this yet, guys, but it's time to eat, so that's what I'm doing. All right, we'll see you at the next smoothie.
Hey, I try my best to talk to you, tell you about the things I like to do. You know your smile is lighting up the room, up the room. Do you always look this beautiful? Can I kiss you when the night is through? Because right now it's all I wanna do, wanna do. Your lipstick left a mark on my cheek, so I keep thinking of you. Wanna do it again, wanna do it again sometime. Whoa, can I see you again, can I see you again sometime? If you'll be standing by your door, I'll pick you up at 8. I said, whoa, you wanna do it again, you wanna do it again sometime. I wanna hear your voice over the phone. Can I call you when I get back home? So we can talk about you and I, you and I. Or can you tell me what you want?
Guys, here comes the taste test. How good does this look? This is a good pink drink. Here we go. Oh, that's good. That's good, guys. Oh. Definitely add a little bit more water than what I showed you before. I had to add probably about a half a cup, but this is the extra large cup on the NutriBullet, and look at that. Oh. This is vitamins and minerals at its best. Healthy fat from the flaxseed, protein from the protein powder, blueberries, raspberries, half an orange. I'm gonna go sit down and enjoy this. This is so great. It's like literally getting close to dinner time. That's how much those carrots, hummus, and that morning shake filled me up throughout the day. I can't get over this. So after this, in a couple of hours, I'm gonna have my next healthy snack, crunchy snack, and then another smoothie before bed, and that'll be my whole day. So let me go drink this. I'll see you back here at snack time. All right, so here's the snack for the day, the afternoon snack. This is 3 tablespoons of hummus and 1 cucumber with the peel off of it. That's it. It's light and refreshing. My hunger is still at bay, and I'm feeling really, really good. So I will be having my green smoothie in a few hours, and I'll see you then. Guys, okay, so we are at 6:30 p.m. Truthfully, not that hungry, to be honest. But I have to get this last shake in because I want to do a 14-hour fast. That is what the book talks about, how there's a little bit of intermittent fasting with this. And so anyway, as the day has gone on, I did have a little bit of a headache earlier today. Did take 2 Advil. Don't know what that's about. Could be a hormonal thing, could be just that my body's not used to eating this way, whatever. But other than that, I feel so good. I feel lighter. I've been urinating, getting in my steps, just feeling really, really good. So I'm going to show you the last shake or smoothie of the day. Let's prepare that, and then we'll see what happens. We'll do the taste test. Here we go. All right, so the ingredients for the last smoothie is 2 cups of spinach, 15 green grapes, 1 pear, 2 tablespoons of avocado, and I still have these in my fridge, so I'm gonna use that. 3/4 cup of 0% fat-free Greek yogurt. And it says to use 2 tablespoons of lime juice, but I don't particularly like that, so I'm going to leave it out. I don't know if that's going to make a difference or not. So let's get this thing put together. We'll do the taste test, and we'll be on our way for the closing of day 1.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my
other room because my phone is charging. It died as I was blending it. Here's what it looks like. I scraped the sides down a little bit. It's all ready to go. I haven't tasted it, so here we go. Wish me luck. Green smoothie. Wow. Okay, of all of them, this may be my favorite. It has a very good sweetness, I'm assuming from the grapes and the yogurt and the pear, and you can barely taste the spinach. It just tastes very fruity, and wow, I am so impressed. This one's a winner, guys. All right. So I'm going to sip on that, but I want to go over the macros that I had today. So the 3 smoothies, the 2 snacks equate to 1,216 calories. Ready for this one? 169 carbs. Here's the clincher. I feel less bloated. I feel like I've excreted quite a bit of water weight. I have been urinating quite a bit. I did drink water in between. I feel energized. I didn't get that afternoon slump, although the headache set me back just a little bit. I almost have 10,000 steps for the day. The day is not over, so I'm going to try to get that in. And I feel really good. I also broke down all of the different calorie and carb, I guess, content for each meal I had. So I'm going to quickly go over that. So this morning, the apple pie smoothie, that had 371 calories, 64 grams of carbohydrate. My morning snack was 28 baby carrots, 3 tablespoons of hummus. That was 179 calories, 29 carbs. Then we had the raspberry, blueberry, orange flax shake, that nice pink one. That was 283 calories, 39 carbs. And the afternoon snack was the cucumber and hummus again, 117 calories, 15 carbs. And this baby is 266 calories and 51 carbs. Oh my God, this one's so good. I haven't had a pear in I don't know how long, guys, and it is delicious. Okay, so what's the difference between this and Optavia versus keto, all those other things? Number one is obviously the fruit and veggies. I haven't had fruit in several years, and I missed it. I truly did. I'm going with the fact that this plan is written by a celebrity nutritionist, fitness guy, and he trains people like, you know how Jessica Simpson lost 100 pounds recently? This was the diet she did. Rihanna, all these, Lady Gaga, I mean, every one of those celebrities that look really good, he's the one that puts them on these meal plans. So I'm excited to do this for the next 4 days. I will keep you guys posted with videos. Tomorrow, all day, I will be at work. So I'm going to meal prep these shakes tonight and bring them with me tomorrow. So you'll see how I do there. We'll just see how it goes. What have I got to lose, right? Except some added weight. And maybe reset myself so this menopause isn't as bad as it is. All right, so that was day 1 on the body reset diet. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a good evening, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.